Hey guys, it's your girl T Scott. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, like all that good shit, all that good stuff. Today we're gonna be doing a split dye with the Adore hair color semi-permanent, sweet mint, and clover. So before I do the split dye, I have to bleach my hair. Today I will be using the Ion Sensitive Scalp 40 Volume Developer, and then I will be using the Bright White Cream Lightener by the same brand. Of course, you're gonna need a dye bowl, you're gonna need gloves. I have on an old t-shirt and an old towel for, you know, of course, if I mess myself up. Ugh. And you're gonna mix that up, you're gonna mix them both together and then allow it to process for 50 minutes. So watch me work. So at this point, shit started to get real. Those fumes were fucking with my eyes and everything, so just beware. So this is what the color looks like after 50 minutes of processing time. It's amazing. There's not an inch of green left, and so here we go. To do the split dye, you're going to need some tape and probably a friend or a mirror to help direct you for the back of your head. In my case, I'm gonna use my friend Kay. She's gonna be on FaceTime with me and she's gonna help me figure out what the hell's going on in the back of my head. So let's call up Kay. Kay!
Hi!
Hi! We need to get so you want it pretty long enough to stick to your forehead and stick to the back of your neck so it doesn't move. And so with Kay's help, we're gonna do this. Okay, do this. So guys, I didn't even have to do all of that. I basically got it on my first try. We got it, it's straight. Hope you can see. So now we're going to apply the clover dye. We'll just rotten, but not even having a glove. Jesus. And we are back. We're back. And better and ready to do this color. I'm super excited. Let's go. So once you finish the first side, you're gonna gently lift the tape up and place it down gently right on the line. Look, Kakafat. Okay, look at the big old.
Damn!
Something went wrong. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna bring it back. We're gonna bring it right back. We'll be right back.